Hey guys, if you are 90s babies, I'm pretty sure you know some of these ringtones. Time flies so fast, there are so many brands of cellular phones that was invented. But I know Nokia has a special place in our hearts. This is not sponsored or what, this is just for entertainment purposes only. I remember my mentor to learn that kind of phone is my dad. I'm just 9 years old that time. Maybe I can't use that kind of brand in today's generation, but I do use their ringtone since then, because it gives me nostalgia vibes. So now, I will share to you some of those ringtones to bring back your childhood memories and give you some nostalgic vibes. Please enjoy this video and happy 4K subscribers. Love you all.